Well, it's connected and it's LED on, and then we push the LED, prepare, and you can see self-test. When I push the self-test, no response. And I try to do bed leveling and auto home. You actually crash into the bed. You see there is BL touch option. Reset, no response. Self-test, no response. Deploy, no response. Stow, no response. Okay, but if you manually pull the pin, it does turn off the LED. Have it back up. There it is turned back on again. Okay, back to the RAMPS board. It is plugged in to the servo, the first one, and to the